और सीधा रुख करते हैं विज्ञान भवन का, जहां पर भारत के उपराष्ट्रपति जगदीप धनखड़ संविधान दिवस के मौके पर संबोधित कर रहे हैं।
When he did not know me and I knew him out of his contribution to the court in Delhi High Court. We'll have to examine his DNA. Where does he get all the energy to be so thoroughly prepared for every case? I admire his level of preparation and more than that, wit and humor. I am no longer a senior advocate. If I were one, I would have tried my talent to provoke you someday. He is beyond provocation. Dr. Nitin Chandraji, Secretary, Department of Legal Affairs. Whenever I read this description, I am reminded of my career when I was elected to Lok Sabha in 1989 and became a Minister for Parliamentary Affairs. A journalist from India today asked me, and I responded, not even my postgraduate wife is aware about what is meant by parliamentary affairs. So he handles legal affairs. Someday we'll find out from him what are the contours of legal affairs. Distinguished audience, but I must recognize the presence of Attorney General of India, Shri Venkatramani ji, a man of sublimity, deeply religious, keeps his decibel low, but reveals great substance. I have been in court on the other side also. He never loses temper and continues to be a married man. Congratulations to brothers and sisters all over the globe on this Constitution Day. This is a befitting occasion to remember with a sense of gratitude and reverence our founding fathers, who sagaciously gave us unique constitution that is spine to our democracy. I wouldn't reflect much. Much has been said by the Honorable Minister and earlier speakers. Let us, in togetherness, reaffirm this day our allegiance to constitutional core values. And friends, this is a serious statement. Some of us are getting out of line on this. Over the years, Constitution has been a beacon of hope and freedom, except, and that was the darkest period, a period we would like to forget. Young students, boys and girls, may not be aware of it. And that was proclamation of emergency by the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in June 1975. The darkest period in post-independent history of democratic India. Imposition of emergency was outrageous trampling of constitutional essence and spirit. It was no less than sacrilege of the Constitution, a document so dear now to 1.4 billion people. 1975 में तत्कालीन प्रधानमंत्री द्वारा आपातकाल लागू करना संविधान का बहुत बड़ा अपमान था, संविधान की आत्मा पर कुठाराघात था. Fortunately for us, our democratic values are so strengthened and so deep-rooted and embedded. Such a misadventure cannot even be thought of in present times. The Honorable Minister had indicated that it was in 2015 that the idea occurred to the Honorable Prime Minister to have 26th November as a Constitution Day. Exactly, it was on 11th October 2015, because the notification of which the Honorable Minister is too sure about it was on the date you indicated, 19th of November. but the declaration was made by the Honorable Prime Minister at Mumbai on October 11, 2015, and the occasion was he was laying the foundation stone of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's Statue of Equality Memorial in Mumbai. Let me, friends, reflect. Such a great son of the soil, we admire him so much. Architect of India's Constitution. But it was a proud moment for me as a member of Parliament in 1989 to 91 and as a Union Minister that Bharat Ratna was conferred to him during our regime. It was a
संविधान दिवस के मौके पर भारत के उपराष्ट्रपति का संबोधन आप सुन रहे थे। नमस्कार, डीडी न्यूज के विशेष सांकेतिक भाषा समाचार में आप सभी का स्वागत।